where basically we can segment our content by different ways. So I'm not going to go into the details, just I'm being cognizant of the time. The validation of results, I just showed you that I can go ahead and change the auto tagging. And then we can plot different kind of charts. And we have already gone through the examples, so I'll just show you some screenshots. So first is we set up our charts as a search query. And once the search query has been set up, we decide what parameters to plot against what. And there is complete flexibility of what you want to plot against what. You get the search results, you can override the results if you want to, associate a comment, and then you get the charts, and you have already seen this. So what it means to implement such a system within your organization. The following are the key team members that you need. First is a domain expert who can build these sentiment models or the taxonomies. You need to have a data engineer who would set up all the crawling and the custom documents processing workflow, and this includes the language identification, and the lady just asked duplicate document detection. So all these modules are available. So you need to decide which modules to plug in into your workflow. Then there is a data manager whose responsibility is to create teams and assign projects to those teams. And then the team of data analysts who would go through this workbench to analyze the content. And finally, there are information consumers who would be the end users, the typical management executives who would consume those information that in January people were talking about Samsung, and within Samsung this was the sentiment. The two primary top models were 32 inch, 40 inch, that sort of thing. So let's just extend to a little bit of bigger picture. We want to expand it to a full-fledged social media solution. So what it means is now we want to do some online media analytics. We want to not only do the standard market research, we also want to identify how is the volume trending, who are the key influencers. Means when people talk about something on Twitter, we want to see how many followers they have, how many times their messages are being retweeted. So now you have a completely new dimension to measure the effectiveness. If somebody is commenting about your content, are they influencing a lot many other people? So this forms the basis of the full-fledged social media solution. The steps are same, data collection remains the same. But now, instead of just text analytics, we expand to the full umbrella of analytics. We, in addition to classification, text mining, we also add data mining as well as correlation and forecasting. On top of that, as an outcome of that, we not only get taxonomies, sentiment models, now we also get influence and engagement models. And we previously had the workbench where the marketing analyst would work, but then we can combine all the results of sentiment analysis and all the results of sentiment analysis can be exported into a media portal, which forms the greater social media workflow. And finally, this is the output that goes into the market management for doing a much broader things like brand monitoring, competitions, PR, marketing measurement, all those things. So that concludes my presentation. So I did not have enough, this does not give me enough time to go into the details of the tools, but underneath it's using a whole host of text analytics products. And all this has been packaged into the new social media, and I kind of drew a part how this has been done. So that concludes my talk. Any questions here?
Do you think the rules be voted by a data mechanism, like you built rules like an XML or whatever, you can filter them in multiple times without having to keep them in again?
Yes, so the question is, can I import and export rules from external systems? And the answer is yes. So the tools that I showed you, which were the SAS content categorization and SAS sentiment analysis, everything is maintained purely in text form, in XML in background. So you could be maintaining everything in a completely separate system and use the XML to bring things in and out. Yeah.
Can you define a geographical area to which you refer in each query?
So
Can you define a geographical, political area, like different countries, different province, and so on?
So it can be addressed in two ways. If you have the data, it can be an attribute in the document, and when as plotting the charts, it can become just another parameter to plot by geography. If you do not have this attribute, then we can build taxonomies to identify whenever a city is mentioned within the content itself, then we can pick the cities. Okay, so I'll be available outside the room for another few minutes just to give the next presenter some time to set up. Please feel free to